a clear organizing solution. It's myOrganized.life, live March 28th, 2019.
Clearly,
let me be clear with you on this.
Clearly you looked at the product today to
come up with that fancy title.
Yes.
Actually, we just came up with that fancy name about
30
seconds ago.
Yes,
like,
exactly.
What are we going to call this?
this?
But we can call this show myOrganized.life. Live, I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and give you clear solutions to problems because it's Solution Day.
Solution Day happens every Thursday on this show.
That we're here.
That we're here.
Yes. So
I dig into the deep, dark dungeons of our sample room and pull out some samples.
Something you've never seen. I actually haven't seen this product in
I
use.
had never seen it before.
At all?
Well,
no.
I've seen it in our catalog and on our website. I've never
seen it in person?
physically.
Wow. This is going to be like one of those unboxing videos on YouTube.
Oh my gosh, I know.
But it's not
Weird.
because we don't have the box with us.
No, the box that you would get when you order these is a plaid box.
Oh, nice.
It's a box of 25.
Okay, good. We should put the slide up.
Okay, there we go.
Give them a number.
The number is 10530, and these are clear poly file folders.
Yeah. So now what's cool? So when you say the word file folder, most people immediately think
Manila,
basic,
third cut.
something that is in this shape right here because this is a file folder.
But look at how cool these are.
It has a tab. I know this is really neat. It does have. It's got. First of all, it's poly.
Poly, yes.
And
so
that
it's
means
durable.
Like very durable. We can't do much to destroy this.
Where's your coffee? Let's try to spill on it.
I should go get that
Dang
coffee.
it, you
I'll be
have
right
it
back.
here.
No.
Okay.
I'm going to actually show this on the close-up
Okay.
camera as you see your reservation for NAPO
Oh yeah,
show
I just
coming
happened
up.
to throw that in that folder.
Isn't that great? So red must mean travel because we also have color coding going on.
Yes, color
here, right?
coding. I didn't actually color code this specifically. I just kind of put it in there so you could see. But if these are all scattered on my desk and I want to think, where's my reservation? I don't have to open up.
Without even opening this folder, I can tell
clearly
that you are
see
going
what's in
to NAPO 2019, which is at the Renaissance Worthington Hotel.
Yes.
April 4th through 7th.
Are you just going to give away? Why don't you give my social security number too, so people know exactly how to get me?
So listen, if you want Leanne's autograph when you're down at NAPO, make sure you come up and.
Yes, I will be there with Scott.
Yeah, and it should be fun. Look at this. This is
Isn't that
really
cool?
good. Yeah,
I know, and
I love
you can, like you said, you can still color code the tabs. So we harp on color coding a lot.
We do.
How
organized with
how
color.
important it is, but these can still be put in a drawer, and you can still use the color tab.
Right.
To quickly
a
recognize.
third cut tab. Give me one in
the
the right hand position
great
here.
right hand position. Here's the
No,
yellow.
I mean no.
What do you mean?
This position.
Okay.
Sorry, you have them backwards. That's why. Okay, you were right. I was wrong.
I know.
Look at how this nicely lines up: red, yellow, and blue. Not in that order, but red, blue, yellow.
Wow. Okay.
But those
Isn't that cool? And then it comes with
nice.
green and orange.
Yeah. And a box of 25. So you could use these, in a regular file drawer.
I love these.
Or you could use these on a desktop. Because
I'm glad
what
I
I
discovered
like
them.
is you take this on the go. I bet too, like if you had a dry erase marker, I don't. I have a permanent marker here. You could even take some notes on this and then.
This is actually dry erase.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, and it was. I'm gonna see if I could just write.
No, we've never tried this, so.
Yes, we are trying this live, and if this doesn't work, I'm in big trouble. So
yeah, because you're going to ruin my
exhibitor,
folder.
I'm going to put myOrganized.life.
Okay.
Because we would be the exhibitor down there at the NAPO show.
But
we
also,
do have by the way, we have a little setup there too, right? You're going to be showing products down there?
Not these, because they'll see these right here.
So look at that. I wrote that on the outside of the folder, and now if I want to recycle and reuse, you would normally use a cloth. I just use my finger.
But also these are poly. Oh,
yeah,
gosh.
well, it worked out pretty well.
But,
See?
our poly feature.
That's actually not one of the features of this. That
let's
was
just
an
scratch
ad lib
that. So scratch
bonus thrown in feature. But
they could probably try a Sharpie marker with the white polymer eraser.
Exactly.
Like how we usually highlight our.
That's what I actually thought this was. But okay. Well, let's put the slide up again.
Okay.
It is
10530.
A box of 25
clear poly file folders with
color tabs. So you get color coding, you get durability, you get that clear organizing solution.
Yes, exactly. I love these.
These are nice. Are you
my new
gonna
favorite product. I might
Are you
take
going to
these home.
retrofit your drawer in your office with these?
Well, I don't really file much honestly, in my drawer, but I will definitely, instead
These
of...
could almost be used like little project jackets, too.
for sure.
Couldn't they? You take them around. They're great.
Picture them just sitting on your
Love
desk, so cute.
Awesome. Great. Well,
These would be good for kids' projects, too, because kids can see the inside. Parents can visualize by the color. All sorts of
all right. Well,
options.
now it is a few minutes after 2 o'clock Central Time. And yes.
It is.
And tomorrow's show is what?
Blogger Roundup, your favorite show.
And yours.
Yes.
And how are we doing on getting ready for that show?
Well, I've got 1 down,
Oh, you got
2
one
to
down.
go.
Okay, good.
You may have seen it on the printer this afternoon and accidentally printed out in 11 by 17 paper.
Oh, it's gonna be. That means it's gonna be a big show tomorrow.
Big show. It's always a big show on
But
Fridays.
if you have some suggestions for other blogs, you still have a few hours, today.
Put it in
and
the
then
comments, as
a little
usual.
bit tomorrow, and then, well, you can put those in the comments. So Blogger Roundup tomorrow, and we'll be wrapping up the week. It's going to be a great last show. That'll be the last show of March, won't it?
Yeah, because when is April 1st?
I think April 1st is Sunday, isn't it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Probably.
Yeah.
April Fool's Day.
Oh, is that?
Do you play jokes on your family?
I do.
Do you?
They try to play them on me, and then
Let me guess, you're too smart for them.
I get them figured
Do
out
they do
all
like
the
the
time.
saran wrap on the toilet seat?
No.
Put a
they
hair
wouldn't.
binder around the sprayer on the sink?
No, they don't. I don't know what they do. They try. I don't know. We'll see who fools who. Who
fools who?
Yeah, and then
Who
we'll
fools
report
who?
on Monday.
Okay.
How's that? Okay, but come back tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific. myOrganized.life live. Get organized in color at myOrganized.life.
Live, we laugh, we love, and color. Live, we laugh, we love, and color. Live, we laugh, we love, and color.
myOrganized.life.